Dear viewers, are you ready to elevate your living space? Today we are dividing into stylish TV unit design ideas that you will absolutely love. Dear viewers, TV units are an essential piece of furniture in any modern home. They provide a functional and stylish platform for your television. With a range of styles, materials, and designs available, there are different types of TV units that offer a solution for every living room or bedroom. Whether you are looking for a minimalist, contemporary, or a more traditional design, TV units can help you create a seamless entertainment setup and even add extra storage space. Minimalist, modern, and contemporary TV units are all styles that prioritize simplicity, functionality, and clean lines. They are often made from materials such as glass, metal, and high quality wood, are designed with sleek and understated forms. Modern TV units feature more complex designs with carved or angled lines and unique materials. They often have a more futuristic feel and make a bold statement in your home. These types of TV unit tend to be more eclectic in style, incorporating elements for both minimalist and modern designs. They often feature a mix of different materials and shapes and can include unique storage solutions such as built-in drawers or shelves. There are many types of TV unit designs available. First of all, floor to ceiling TV units are one of the types of TV stands that extend from the floor to the ceiling. They create a large and imposing storage and display solution. They are a popular choice for those who want to create a statement piece in their living room and entertainment space. These units typically offer a lot of storage with shelves and compartments for your TV, media components, books, and other items. One of the main benefits of the floor to ceiling TV units is that they provide ample space to store all your media components and accessories. This helps to keep your living room or entertainment space free of clutter and ensures that your TV and other items are within easy reach. Additionally, these units can often be customized to fit your specific needs and design preferences, making it easy to find the perfect solution for your home. Another advantage of floor to ceiling TV units is that They can help to create a more cohesive and integrated look in your home. Since they extend from the floor to ceiling, they can help to anchor the space and create a sense of flow and continuity. This can be especially useful in large or open plan spaces where it can be challenging to create a cohesive design. TV units that extend into study units or pieces of furniture that combine a TV stand with a desk or work area. These units are designed to provide a complete home entertainment and work solution and are ideal for homes where space is limited. TV units that extend into study unit typically feature a TV stand with shelves or compartments for your TV and media components, as well as a desk or work surface with space for a computer, books, and other items. Some units also include additional storage such as drawers or shelves to help keep your space organized and clutter-free. TV units with a vanity are a type of furniture that combines a TV stand with a built-in vanity area. These units are designed to provide a complete home entertainment and grooming solution and are ideal for homes where space is limited. TV units with a vanity typically features a TV stand with shelves or compartments for your TV and media components, as well as built-in vanity area with a mirror, lighting, and a space for personal grooming items. Some units include additional storage such as drawers or shelves to help keep your space organized and clutter-free. Consider a sleek, minimalist design. A wall-mounted TV unit can create a clean look, keeping the focus on your screen while maximizing floor space. Choose a neutral colors like white or gray for that modern touch. Next, how about incorporating natural materials? A wooden TV unit adds warmth and texture to your room. Look for pieces with unique grain patterns or a rustic finish to bring in that cozy vibe. If you are a fan of bold statements, opt for a colorful TV unit. A bright hue can serve as a focal point, adding personality and flair. Pair it with decorative accessories to enhance the look. Dear viewers, thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you.